welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on my video. I'm Ashley, and in today's video I will be showing you different ways I style this headband wig that I received from LuvMe Hair. If you want to see how I installed this wig and the unboxing of this wig and different products that I use on this wig, I have a video that I will be linking in the description box below. So go ahead and click on the link in the description box below. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Hit that like button and share my video, as well as leave me a comment below letting me know what different styles or different ways you style your headband with. So let's get started with the video.